I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. So today I am going to be dyeing my hair, hopefully lavender. I don't really know how this is going to turn out because my hair is not natural. I naturally have brown hair. I actually started dyeing my hair at the beginning, around April of last year. Was the first time I ever dyed my hair, and I dyed the very bottom ends on kind of like a dark red, and then since then I started dyeing it more. So I dyed the top of it black down to like here, and then it kind of fades into this kind of orangish red. I don't know what it looks like on camera because I'm gonna try to zoom in, but so as of the filming of this, I currently have this Arctic Fox hair dye. This is called Girls Night, but I'm getting a bleach kit in today, and then the Purple Rain is coming in the mail tomorrow. So I'm going to be bleaching my hair today, and I'm going to be dyeing it tomorrow. So I just wanted to make this little intro real quick because I'm going to be heading to the bathroom to bleach my hair, and I wanted to move the camera in there. So I wanted to make your intro real quick, just showing you kind of what my hair looks like now. And hopefully what it will turn out to be is going to be in the thumbnail, but I don't know yet if it's going to work out. My hair is kind of greasy because I didn't wash it last night or yesterday, but I did condition it a bunch the past few days because I know bleaching it is super harsh on your hair, so I don't, and I have bleached my hair before, so it's a little bit scary because I'm going to be bleaching over stuff that's already partly bleached, which I know you're not supposed to do. So I don't want this video to be a tutorial on how to do this hair. I just kind of want it to be a fun little video showing you how to, showing how I got this hair, or the hair that I'm going to have. And yeah, I just wanted to show you what it looks like, and most of this will probably be cut out. Okay. We're going to be using this Manic Panic Flash Lightning. This is a 30 volume cream developer bleach. I've never used this bleach before. The only bleach I've used is the bleach in the Splat, like hair color. They always come with the bleach, and I don't really know I don't think that bleach is really good for hair in general. I just don't think it's good for your hair, so I got this one because it's a cream developer, and I've heard these are better for your hair. So yeah, this comes with all the different things inside. I'll show you whenever we start going. My sister's gonna come in here and help me. So yeah, so it comes with a brush. It comes with the actual developer. It comes with a little mixing bowl right here, and then a little hairnet, some gloves, and the bleach is what's in here. And yeah, so we're just gonna get to it.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away.
So my camera cut off. It was also a little uneven while we were my camera cut off while my sister was doing my hair, but I am done doing my hair now. I don't know what it looks like in the back, but I put on the little cap that came in the kit, and I'm just gonna let it sit. There's actually no time on the box for some reason that you have to let it sit for. It just says don't let it sit for too long, so I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes and see how it looks, and then if I might let it sit for another like 5 or 10 depending on how blonde it is. It's already been sitting for about 11 minutes with this on. So yeah, I don't really know what it looks like in the back. I'm kind of nervous because I never really bleached my hair before. I bleached a little bit of it, but not a lot of it. So I will be back whenever it's ready time to dye it. So I bleached off my hair. Not all of it. From here down. And this is what dogs are barking. This is what it looks like now. It's pretty light on the ends. It turned into like a light orange color, which I think will be okay if you dye purple over it, because it, I think, kind of cancels out the orange or yellow tones or whatever, so I think it'll be okay. But I actually kind of just like this color. I kind of wanted to go orange-ish too, but that'll probably be in the future because I really want to do the purple now. But anyway, I'm excited, so I'll be back whenever, yeah, I go to do the purple. Okay, so this is the stuff that we're using today. I got this. This is not going to be stable at all. I got this conditioner right here. It's just a like color conditioner. It's good for colored hair. Then I got Girls Night, and I got Purple Rain. These are 2 Arctic Fox dyes. Got a little brush. I got a mixing bowl, and I got this little shower cap for whenever I get done. And we're just going to mix it together.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. Gravity.
Okay guys, so I wasn't able to film me dyeing my hair the second time, but you can kind of see the color right here. Got a little bit on my skin, it won't come off. I'll end up getting it off later. But I had to re-dye it because the first color just came out way too orange. I kind of figured that would happen. I was kind of worried about that happening because up under the dye was already kind of orangey, yellowy, reddish. So I'm hoping that the darker purple, so I mixed up a bunch of the Purple Rain with a little bit of the Girls Night and like a tablespoon of conditioner, so not much at all. And I'm hoping that this will stick. I'm going to leave this on probably all day, probably about 9:30, maybe 10 in the morning. I don't have my phone with me, but yeah, so I'm going to probably rinse this out tonight when I take a shower and see what it looks like. I'm going to leave it in all day long. I'll be back whenever this is washed and dried, and I will show you the finished product or finished hair, I don't know. If this does not turn out, I'm just going to leave it whatever it is and get some dye eventually. I'm sure it'll look okay. I didn't really mind the color that it turned out before, but it didn't look exactly like I wanted, so I wanted to try it again. And I had some leftover dye. I still have some leftover dye. I didn't use all the 2 bottles because I diluted them a little bit with conditioner both times, so I have a little bit, about this much left in each bottle, so I'll be able to like freshen it up with conditioner every now and then when it looks like it's starting to fade. But I'm hoping that this will work, so we'll see in a few hours. A lot of hours tonight. Bye! Okay guys, so this is my finished hair. I am outside right now, so if you hear the road, I'm sorry, there's cars going by. But this is my finished hair. It's kind of like pinkish purple up here, and then it goes into this like nice, super dark purple, or vibrant, I guess you could say, purple. My hair is kind of greasy because they tell you not to shampoo out the color, so I haven't shampooed it in like 4 or 5 days, or I guess since I did the bleach. I haven't shampooed it since I bleached it, but I'm going to shampoo it in a few days and then see what it looks like, and I might insert a picture of it in the video. I'm not really sure, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. I actually really like it. It's definitely not what I was going for. I was going for like a lavender color, but yeah, this is what it ended up being, and I'm not mad. I actually really like it. I'm going to try to, I love the ends, they're super bright. I'm going to probably insert a picture of what it looks like out here, and then insert a picture of it once I wash it and like flat iron it and everything. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware.